This I like. The coolest and most interesting survival tech that could save your life or just impress your friends. So put on your best cargo shorts and buckle up. This is going to be a wild ride full of awesome gear. Before we get into it, remember to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description where you can find them. This pocket-sized filter lets you drink straight from lakes, rivers, or even that suspicious looking puddle near your campsite. It filters out more than 99.9% of bacteria and parasites, turning dirty water into life-saving hydration. Imagine being able to scoop water from a stream and drink it confidently, no boiling required. Plus, it's so compact that it fits in your back pocket. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or facing an unexpected disaster, this survival straw ensures you won't go thirsty. And hey, you'll look pretty hardcore sipping straight from a river like a survivalist pro. How about a gadget that's a cooking stove and a power generator all in one? This do-it-all camp stove burns twigs and other natural materials to cook your food while simultaneously generating electricity to charge your devices. Perfect for the tech-savvy adventurer, this stove keeps your phone juiced up for those epic Instagram shots, all while keeping you warm and well-fed. Plus, it cuts down on fuel canisters, so not only are you surviving, you're being eco-friendly too. You'll feel like you're starring in your own wilderness survival show, except for the bonus of being able to post about it in real time. Who said you can't have gourmet meals and selfies in the wild? Ever find yourself stranded in the middle of nowhere with temperatures dropping fast? That's when this emergency bivvy becomes your best friend. This ultra-light compact sleeping bag is made from heat-reflective material that traps 90% of your body heat, ensuring you stay warm even in freezing conditions. It's smaller than a can of soda when packed, so there's no excuse not to have one in your backpack. Picture this, you're caught in a sudden blizzard, but instead of panicking, you calmly slip into your bivvy and stay toasty until help arrives. It's like wrapping yourself in a survival blanket burrito, warm, cozy, and life-saving. Sure, it's not luxury glamping, but when it's freezing, it's basically a 5-star hotel. If you're going to carry one tool in the wild, this might be the one. This is no ordinary knife. It's got a built-in fire starter, an emergency whistle, a sharpener, and a military-grade sheath. Need to cut rope, build a shelter, or start a fire? This knife has you covered, and let's be real, if you're carrying something with Bear Grylls' name on it, you automatically gain at least 20% more survival credibility. You'll feel like a wilderness warrior slicing through the wild, and with this blade in hand, you're one step closer to being the star of your own adventure series. Ever been to a mountain peak or deep in the forest and thought, I wish I could send a text right now? This device is here to make that happen. This tiny yet mighty two-way satellite communicator allows you to send text, track your location, and even trigger an SOS if things get hairy, all without cell service. So even if you're in the most remote areas of the globe, you can still stay connected. Whether you're letting your family know you're okay or calling for emergency help, this little device is a lifeline. Plus, it's so small and light, you can clip it onto your pack and forget it's even there. Until you really need it, that is. It's like having peace of mind tucked into your pocket. When you need a shelter fast, this tent is the answer. This ultra lightweight emergency tent is designed for 2 people and made from tear-resistant, waterproof material that reflects your body heat, keeping you warm and dry even in the harshest conditions. Setting it up is as easy as stringing a cord between 2 trees, and voila, you've got an instant shelter. Imagine you're stuck in a storm or unexpectedly spending the night outdoors. This tent will keep you safe from the elements without weighing you down on your hike. It's bright orange for visibility and extra style points, so rescuers will spot you right away. You could say it's the ultimate room with a view, even if that view is the middle of nowhere. If there's one thing you'll need in a survival situation, it's fire. And when matches get soggy or lighters fail, this emergency fire kit steps up to the plate. This little kit is windproof, waterproof, and ready to ignite even in the nastiest weather conditions. Just flick it open, spark it up, and watch the tinder catch flame instantly. Whether you're signaling for rescue or just warming up, this kit makes fire starting feel like magic. If you're looking for the Swiss Army knife of the survival world, look no further than this multi-tool by Leatherman. This compact gadget packs 19 tools into one sleek design, including a fire starter, hammer, saw, pliers, a knife, and even a whistle. It's basically your entire survival kit in one hand. Need to build a shelter, cut through some branches, signal for help? It's got you covered. With its rugged design and durable build, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it, and the best part, you get to casually whip it out when someone asks for help and watch as their jaws drop while you proceed to save the day. Check out this pocket-sized powerhouse of a flashlight. Despite its small size, it delivers a blinding 1300 lumens with a range of 170 meters, basically a portable super bright light. It's got a built-in magnet for hands-free use and a sturdy 2-way clip, perfect for attaching to your gear. Worried about battery life? The upgraded charging case offers up to 190 days of runtime and can even charge your phone. With 6 lighting modes from 1300 lumens to a 0.5 lumen soft glow, this little gadget is as versatile as it as bright. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need a trusty everyday flashlight, the Baton 4 is ready to light your way. This survival shovel is like the Swiss Army knife of shovels. It does nearly everything. Need to chop wood, dig trenches, clear brush, no problem. Made from heat-treated carbon steel with aerospace-grade aluminum handles, this thing's built tougher than a grizzly in winter. Plus, it's got 18 survival tools tucked inside: an axe, knife, saw, fire starter, bottle opener, and even a compass, because you might get lost while marveling at how cool this thing is. So if you're ready to channel your inner MacGyver, this shovel's your new best friend. This solar-powered generator is basically the superhero of portable power stations. Need a quick charge before your next adventure? This thing hits 80% power in just 43 minutes. And with a 10-year lifespan and over 3,000 battery cycles, it'll outlast your favorite camping gear and probably your next smartphone. This powerhouse can run 99% of appliances thanks to its surge pad tech, delivering up to 2,400 watts of power through 11 ports. So you can charge your laptop, phone, fridge, and maybe even your neighbor's stuff all at once. Heading off grid? No worries, the 200-watt solar panel adjusts to 3 angles for max sunlight absorption, and with 1.5 times higher efficiency, you'll be converting sunlight into power like a solar wizard. Plus, it's IP67 weatherproof, meaning you can charge in a dust storm, rainstorm, or even your nephew's pool party. So if you want serious power on the go, this is your ultimate sidekick. Supercharged adventure, here we come. This tiny tool embraces compactness and minimalism, fitting 11 functions into a card-sized gadget you can keep in your wallet. The 11-in-1 pocket survival tool can saw, cut, open cans, measure, act as a wrench, and even work as a bottle opener, because let's face it, survival situations sometimes require a cold beverage. The best part, it's smaller than your phone. You'll feel like a magician every time you pull it out to solve a problem, whether you're tightening bolts on a hike or sawing through wood. And at just a few bucks, it's a budget-friendly way to feel like a survival master without weighing down your pack. Similar to the Life Straw, this mini water filtration system by Sawyer is a must-have for anyone venturing into the wild. It's incredibly lightweight and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water. That's right, 100,000. This tiny filter attaches to standard water bottles, hydration packs, or can be used directly from a water source. Imagine finding a stream and knowing you can drink straight from it without any worry of bacteria or protozoa. It's like having a personal, pocket-sized water treatment plant wherever you go. Is it a poncho, a sleeping bag, a blanket? It's all three. The Swagman Roll Poncho is the ultimate multifunctional survival garment. You can wear it to stay dry in the rain, sleep in it to stay warm, or lay it out as a ground mat for your gear. You'll feel like a survival fashion icon wrapped up in this bad boy. Whether you're trekking through the jungle or sitting around the campfire, this poncho's got you covered, literally. And let's be real, when you're out in the wild, fashion may not be your first priority, but practicality sure is. This poncho does both, and that's a win. This genius gadget is packed with fishing hooks, a fire starter, a knife, and much more, all wrapped up in durable military-grade paracord. It's small enough to clip onto your backpack, but once unwrapped, it gives you the tools you need to survive an unexpected night in the wilderness. Imagine dropping into a survival situation and pulling the pin, not to explode, but to unearth all the tools you need to thrive. And there you have it, the coolest, most interesting survival gadgets that will have you ready to tackle anything the wild throws at you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which gadget you would want in a survival situation, and feel free to check out the links in the description where you can find them. Thanks for tuning into This I Like, and remember, you I like too.